Three, two, one, here we go. Hey there, this is me, a living being, and it's around 5:40 a.m. And I have a very small thing in my hand, and that's a spark plug. This little thing may interrupt the starting of a huge machine, but I know it's not that much huge. In the same way, our life may have a little bit, a very small problems that may impact our whole life. So that's why we should fix it. Sometimes we have to do it, work it. And that's why someone says that life throws problems our way, doesn't it? Yeah, but we can't just give up. We have to fix them. It's tough sometimes, but every problem has a solution. Exactly. We just have to keep going and find it. And here, I have fixed this. And that's the result. In the same way, our life has also solutions. So work on it. See you soon and maybe tomorrow again in the morning. Bye bye.